Well, greetings, historical geographers and historical geographettes. We are entering into week 6 of your 8-week course, so at the end of this week, we'll be 3/4 away through the class. So time is running fast. You got your devotional thoughts for this week there, so do take time to read through those. I trust they're an encouragement to you. And then you're entering into the week 6 work. This week we're studying the fall of Israel and the single monarchy and the fall of Judah. Our objectives this week are two. We want you to be able to explain how geographical features impact our interpretation of the Bible using a specific example from the period. And we want you to evaluate and discuss the significance of geography in the conquest of Jerusalem. I was just up to Jerusalem yesterday, and I went on a field study with the students in historical geography course at Jerusalem University College here in Israel. And there is a zip file at the bottom of this announcement with videos I took at Jericho, Tel Jericho in Jordan Valley, of the Tel, as well as the Mount of Temptation and the tower that was found in the 50s at Jericho that dates back to probably the earliest human construction on the face of the earth. And then we found our way just north of Jericho up to the central Benjamite Plateau, which is a crucial part of the entry to Jerusalem from the Mediterranean side of the country, coming up the Ayalon Valley to the Benjamite Plateau, and then turning south from there to Jerusalem. But before you can get there, you need to watch the instructor video 6.1 and read Beitzel 180 to 188 and 191 to 195. And you need to watch the online class examples 6.1 and 6.3. Our discussion this week will be how important was geography in the conquest of Jerusalem and the subsequent relocation of Israelites to Babylon by Nebuchadnezzar. And of course, you've got assignment paper number 3 due this week. So do a good job on these. I trust you're finding it interesting and intriguing. Many of you have already indicated that to me, but I trust it's true for all. I was looking forward to reading your thoughtful papers on this last assignment. Assignment number 3, as they come in later in the week. Be sure to read the instructions and research the topic carefully and well. And again, and well, you get the idea. Remember my admonitions to maintain contact with one another, even personal, proper, of course, contact beyond the academic. Remember that the essence of discipleship requires at least 2 components to be effective. And competent to counsel, as Jay Adams would say, one another. Number 1, it's got to be personal. Number 2, it needs to be very practical. So do encourage one another. And that's it for another week's announcement. Don't forget the zip file down below. Enjoy your studies this week. By the way, I've had students contact me from the different schools I teach for, either by FaceTime or Skype, with some questions, and I think they just want to talk to me here in Israel, which is fine. So it works fine. Both FaceTime and Skype are working just fine. So if you do need to contact me, don't hesitate, but do keep in mind the time difference. I'm 8 hours ahead of Chicago Central Time. Again, God bless. Enjoy your studies.